Namaste. Welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we will be preparing lentils or dal patties, also known as dal pakoras or dal kebabs. It's a simple recipe you can prepare anytime with no prior preparation, plus they are completely vegan. So let's get started and see our ingredients for the lentils or dal patties. We would need 2 cups of red lentils, also called as masoor dal, parsley or coriander leaves half cup, 1 inch of ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of peanut or any nuts of your choice, juice of 1 full lemon, 1 medium onion, 1 medium potato and 1 medium carrot. For spices we are using 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. I have also listed measurements of all the ingredients and their alternatives in the description box below. We have washed the red lentils thoroughly and put it for soaking for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let's start with our vegetables. You can take any vegetables of your choice and chop or grate them finely. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a hot pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 medium finely chopped onion, followed by 1 medium grated potato and then 2 medium grated carrots. Mix them together. We are cooking this over medium heat and now go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix again. As you can see, the grated potato looks grey in color and the reason is that I had peeled the skin and grated it 1 hour before making this video. So you can always avoid decoloration by covering the potatoes with cold water until you're ready to use them. The vegetables are good now. Switch off the flame and let them cool down. Remember, we are cooking them only for 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat. To a mixer grinder or food processor, add 2 cups of red lentils which was soaked for 20 to 25 minutes. We have removed the excess water from the red lentils and dabbed it with a kitchen towel. Then add 50 grams of whole peanuts or any nuts of your choice like almond or cashew, or you can also use almond powder if you like. Then add 4 to 5 garlic cloves, followed by 30 to 40 grams of parsley or coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon or 1 inch of ginger, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. We are adding juice of 1 whole fresh lemon as well. Now it's time for churning everything together. If you are using a mixer grinder, you'll have to scrape everything from the bottom and repeat the process multiple times. Try not to add any water, but if you feel it's not processing faster, add small cup of water and try. Alternatively, you could also divide the mixture in 2 batches and churn it. Don't make a fine paste as we are looking for texture in our mixture. It looks ready now. Take it out in a fresh bowl and add the vegetables to it which we prepared earlier. Make sure the vegetables are at room temperature. Don't add them if they are still hot. Now mix them together nicely and our lentils patty mixture or batter is ready. So let's start making them. We are going to deep fry them first, so heat oil in a pan or a kadhai. Before making the patties, apply some oil to your hand so it's easier to give shape to the patties. You can roll them in any shape and size and then add them to the hot oil. Make sure to turn the heat to medium. We are doing this step because if you cook them over high heat, they will turn golden brown immediately and might appear completely cooked, whereas they won't get cooked from the inside. So the correct process is to heat the oil and once it's really hot, turn it to medium and cook the patty slowly till it's golden brown. Also, make sure not to disturb them till you see they're changing color, else the patty might disintegrate. As you can see, now they have turned golden brown, so we'll take them out. We have prepared few more lentils deep fried patties. Now we will prepare some shallow fried patties. You will see the difference in their texture. So let's go ahead and heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and then add the patty mixture. Again, you can make them in any size or shape of your choice. Let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. Once you see the edges of the patty turn golden brown, go ahead and flip them. Perform this step gently so the patties don't break. Now let them cook on this side for 4 to 5 minutes as well. When you cook them in the shallow fry method, they turn out to be crunchier from the outside and soft from the inside. Both the deep fried and shallow fry patties are ready. They're a perfect party or evening snack. I usually bake them and that way they are healthier as well. The deep fried patties are more fluffier and softer, whereas the shallow fried ones are crispier in texture. Mostly I prepare the batter during the weekend and use them in my meal prep throughout the week. So if you enjoyed this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new recipe. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new vegan recipe. Until then, bye.